Hey guys, welcome back to Python Ninja Bootcamp. In this lecture, we'll cover map function. Let's get started. Map is the function that takes a function and an iterable and returns a new iterable. Let's see the general syntax of map function. So here we have map function, inside it function as a parameter and an iterable as a parameter. Students are hereby requested to download the file of this lecture from the description given below. Let's see the example to understand how map works. So I'm gonna create a function first. Let's say def q function and pass num as a parameter. Within a q function, return num *** 3. If I call q function and pass 2 as a parameter, it will return 8. Now if I have the list of number, let's say L equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I want to apply the q function to each element of the list L. I could use map to get the cube of each elements. So I'm gonna say map function pass first parameter as a q function and second parameter as a list L, and put the entire function inside the list function to get the list output. If I check out the output now, it will return the cube of all the elements in the list L. The reason it happened because each element of the list L is applied to the q function. In this example, we could have used lambda expression. If you are not aware of lambda expressions, you can check out the link in the description and learn how lambda expression works. So I'm gonna use the lambda expressions. Let's say lambda num num ** 3, L. If I check out the output now, it will return the same thing. We could also use tuples instead of list. So I'm gonna say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I check out the output now, it will return the cube of the each element in the tuple. Now let's see how to pass more number of iterables in the map function. So I'm gonna say list function, map function, inside it lambda a, b (a plus b). Now we have to pass two sequence on the lambda expression. So I'm gonna say list 1, 2, 3, list second 4, 5, 6. If you check out the output now, it will return the addition of each element from the list. That's all about map function. See you in the next lecture. Students, subscribe करें SN Gurukul channel को. Press the bell icon to see the latest tutorial. Comment करें to give your valuable feedbacks and suggestions. Next video में हम cover करेंगे reduce till then practice, and thank you for watching.